Stop waiting to join us. Stop waiting to get on board. We're all getting ready to heal and restore.
It's my pleasure to stand before you today as we launch the Restore Local initiative.
Why we must do land restoration? Why is it critical to us? It is our people's livelihood. Human development is at stake.
Now, I have good news for you. That money does grow on trees.
Restoration is more than just planting trees. It's about empowering communities and making them more resilient in their futures.
Through the Restore Local, we are restoring and conserving our local seeds for food and also for indigenous trees.
We are also looking at the beehives initiative that are eco-friendly. They are also nature-based enterprise.
God has handed us the earth to take care of it, not to destroy it.
I want to take this opportunity to congratulate WRI for a very outstanding, carefully crafted program that is Restore Kenya.
Stop waiting for others. Stop waiting to take a stand. We're all here ready to restore our land. Here we go. Restore, restore local, restore. Restore local, restore. Restore local, restore. Oh, that sounds good. I want to hear you sing it again. Restore, restore local, restore. Restore local, restore. Restore local, restore. Keep going. I want to hear it a cappella. Restore, yes. Restore local.